Hey guys, welcome to Praxie Best Practices. Today we're going to show you how to manage diversity, equity, and inclusion in Praxie. We're going to start by assessing your current state. We're then going to review opportunities. We're then going to create projects, tasks, and policies. And finally, review and track the progress of your entire team. Let's get started. So when you come into the app, you'll be presented with an overview screen. On this screen, you'll see the same video that we're viewing now is here, and you can always come back to this Get Started page and review it at any time. There's also a general overview about DEI itself, and you can see more advanced instructions in here. Also, if you want to customize this app to your exact needs, you can send a request here to our team and we can tailor the app to your needs. So click here in the middle to get started. When you click to get started, it shows you the first process we're going to go through, which is the assessment. You can use these buttons here, or you can get to those same areas through the menu items here. So the first thing you're going to do is assess your talent. And you can see here that there's a number of different questions, and you can assess your strong agreement, moderate agreement, strongly disagree, etc. This will put the ratings of your assessment of your current employee DEI situation. You then can do your organizational assessment as well as your employee assessment. Then you're going to be able to review the opportunities. So when you come to review the opportunities, you're going to score where these opportunities are, as well as their feasibility and impact. This will help you prioritize the different projects that you might want to drive. Once you do that, you'll be able to really look at those different opportunities in the context of your prioritization. So when you come here, you'll see that the different opportunities, whether those be in talent or in organization, etc., that your top priorities will end up here on the right based on how you've rated their feasibility and impact. So once you've done that, you're ready to begin managing projects. So you can come here to manage the projects that you're going to actually implement. You basically can add new projects here. Those projects will open a project record where you can set which area these focus on, who the sponsor is, project manager, define what needs to be done, add documents, as well as here at the bottom, enter the tasks necessary to achieve those projects. You can also build timelines. You can view this in table or Gantt view, and update status notes. When you assign those tasks, your team members will be able to see in our main menu any tasks that have been assigned to them. They'll also get notifications via email about those tasks. You then can go and create, anytime, come back to managing all those projects, as well as the complete timelines that you can see here of any of the projects. You can also drill down and see the status of any of the items you're interested in. You can also then create your goals and policies. There's an area to do that. You can create the goals, then you can define and create the policies and attach those policies. We have some templates here for you as well. And then finally, you can track progress. Now, what this allows you to do is, whether it's racial diversity or gender diversity trends, you can enter the data here of where you're trying to achieve, as well as where you get to in each of these areas, and that will give you an overall graph of the progress that you're creating. Also, everything in the system is exportable via PDF, or you can capture the screens and put them in PowerPoints. Don't forget, if you need any help, you can click here and send a request to us. We'll get back to you right away for your help. So that's it. That's how you can manage diversity, equity, and inclusion in Praxie.